Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope my all friends and viewers will be fine and doing well. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. Dear friends, today I am going to share with you very beautiful, very amazing, very stylish and very fantastic wooden made main door designs ideas. They are most attractive, most beautiful, most stylish, most fantastic and most attractive wooden made decoration designs looking very nice and very attractive. There are very beautiful wooden main door designs. There are very fantastic main door designs ideas. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. Dear friends, first of all, I suggest you to kindly watch this video till end and keep supporting and keep watching my channel. And also press bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon, you may get new notification of my all new videos. There are most fantastic, most attractive and most wonderful designs of wooden made main door. Latest designs of wooden made main door looking very nice and very attractive. You can get more and more ideas about main door made by wooden from this video. So friends, I again request you to don't skip this video and watch more and more fantastic ideas about fantastic wooden made main door. There are very superb designs, there are very amazing designs, there are very attractive designs ideas. I hope you will like and you will enjoy this video. There are very beautiful designs, beautiful and very attractive designs ideas. You can buy these beautiful, amazing and most stylish wooden made door online from etsy.com, ebay.com, AliExpress, Amazon. As we know that all these websites are very famous and you can buy these beautiful wooden main door from here.